Hi there, in this video we are going to learn how we can make shapes transparent in PowerPoint presentation. As you can see that this one is my cover slide or title slide. If I remove this shape, so I can see there is image behind this picture. So I am going to leave the shape back on the center of the slide. So as you can see, your picture is not visible in this slide. So as you can see, we have insert a shape on the picture. So we are going to make this shape transparent so we can see the picture that we have inserted in the background of this slide. So first of all, you have to select the shape, then right click, as you can see on the bottom, format shape. So in the fill you can see there is transparency. For now the transparency is 0. I am going to increase up to 15. So you can see, now we can see there is a picture behind the shape. As initially we insert the shape, then we cannot see our picture that we have inserted in the background. Now we are going to insert a new blank slide and we talk about little bit more about transparent, how we can make transparent shapes in PowerPoint. So I am going to insert picture from my computer. So I am going to crop this picture into 16 by 9. Now I am going to insert shape on this slide with any color. You can select, I'm going to select black color. Outline, no outline. I am going to increase the size of the shape. Now you can see there is only black shape inserted on this slide, and I am going to make this shape transparent so we can see the picture behind the shape. Again, shape format, you can, it's depend upon you how much you want the picture to be transparent. So I am going to insert 20%. I am going to copy this text and insert on this slide. In this way we can make our shape transparent to make our slide more clean and attractive. Thanks for watching.